Hello guys. Welcome back to the Intelligent Mindset. Let's say a person saves $5,000 and tells his friends that he can finally afford a nice car. But his other friend says that he also has $5,000 but he invested his money in stocks because after some years his dividend income buys him a new car every year. Friend, this is a very small difference between a rich mindset and a poor mindset. This man will keep working for money his whole life and financial freedom will always be a dream for this person. On the other side, this person will become more financially strong and rich with time due to compounding. And the saddest thing is that school or our parents do not teach us things such as dividends, investing, and financial freedom. That's why a lot of people have poor mindsets. But with this channel, I aim to give knowledge, motivation, and direction as soon as possible. And with these three things, you will get early financial freedom in life. So friends, today I will teach you 3 important lessons by which you can improve your mindset, and you will also see that there is a huge difference between rich and poor mindsets. So friends, just imagine that you are 20 years old and you completed your studies and your parents give you a brand new car, but the only condition is that you cannot buy any other car your whole life. So what will you do? A lot of people will read the owner's manual and instructions at least 4 times before driving the car and arrange a parking garage and change its oil on time and keep it as safe as possible because they know that this car should work your whole lifetime. Just like that, you get your body and mind only once in your life. And if you don't take care of your body and mind, then it is just like that you abandon that car. But friends, in reality you can change your house and cars as many times as you want, but you can never reset your mind. You cannot take a new mind or life, just like video games. That's why all successful people start working on their minds at an early age and take a separate direction from other people. Friends, I still remember that when I was in college my professor asked us what is our most valuable asset in our life. Some people said that their house, some said their investment or cars, etc., etc. But the actual answer is something else. Our most valuable asset is our mind. Everyone goes to college to improve their mindset so that their future earning capacity can increase and their whole life can change with that 3 to 4 year investment. That's why you are wasting your most valuable asset if you don't invest in yourself. The golden rule of valuation is that the value of any asset is the present value of all the expected future cash flows. So if you don't know anything about investing, then most probably you invest your salary in a fixed deposit of banks by which you get 5% to 6% of return. But if you invest some time and improve your mindset, then you can easily get a return of 12%, means double, and if you invest more then you can directly start a business or buy some businesses through stocks by which you can easily get a return of 18% or more. This means you can increase the value of your most valuable asset by reading some books or by watching videos like this. And a lot of people say that they don't have much money in their 20s, so should they start investing with such small money? So friends, here most people miss a very important thing, and that is whether you don't have much money but you can start your financial freedom journey now. The people with poor mindsets say that they will start investing when they have a lot of money, and the people with rich mindsets say that when they start investing money now, then more money will come eventually, and this will also help to increase their financial knowledge. Rich people always choose investments and poor people make excuses because to start investing you don't need a big amount, you can start investing with just $100. Warren Buffett started investing at age 11, and at that time Warren Buffett didn't say that he started investing early, but he said that, "I made my first investment at 11, I was wasting my life until then." Whenever you ask any 40-year-old person what was his biggest mistake in life, he will most probably reply that the biggest mistake was that he learned how to invest and manage money too late in life. And if you read any book or listen to speeches by most successful people such as Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, or Bill Gates, then you can learn that the most important thing that you should take the most risk in your 20s, such as starting a new business, and I also recommend the same thing, but for some reason if you can't start a business then at least you can invest in already successful companies. So let's talk about the most important lesson we will learn from this video. Just imagine that you write a letter on your computer and then you print out that letter and read its hard copy, and while reading you see that there is a typing error in it, and to make it correct you use an eraser, and then you print out the same letter and find that there is the same mistake again, and then you start thinking that how can this be possible? This time you use a big eraser and correct it and then print it out again. But this time you became angry by seeing the same mistake again, but after some time you find out that the actual problem wasn't in the paper or printer. The actual problem was present in the program on the computer. In the same way, a lot of people say that they don't have enough money and their financial condition is so bad, but the actual problem is not their financial condition, it's just the result. The actual problem is their mindset, and if people like that win a lottery, then after some years they become broke again. As I told you in this video, more than 70% of lottery winners become broke in the next 10 years. As Morgan Housel said, success is driven by compounding, which takes time, but destruction can happen overnight. And if you want to become rich and remain rich, then you should keep investing in your mind continuously, because small outcomes can result in big results in the long term because of compounding. And if you improve only 0.01% daily, then you can improve 37 times in 1 year, but compounding can also work in the wrong direction. But most people only like entertainment stuff, and they don't believe that financial freedom is possible for them. So whether you think you can get rich or you think you cannot get rich, you are always right. You achieve what you think you can. And if you don't save money by thinking that you can never get rich, then you will never get rich. But if you invest in your mind and learn money management, then I am 100% sure that one day you will become financially free. So friends, that's it for today's video. If you learn anything from this video, kindly press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that whenever any new important video comes out, you get a notification. Thanks for watching.